To get a new WIC card, you will need to follow a few simple steps. First, determine if you are eligible for a replacement card. If your card is lost, stolen, or damaged, you can request a replacement. Next, contact your local WIC office to report the issue with your current card. They will guide you through the process of obtaining a new one. You can find your local WIC office by visiting the official WIC website or by calling the National WIC hotline. When you contact the WIC office, be prepared to provide your name, address, and other identifying information to verify your identity. They may also ask for the reason you need a replacement card. Once your identity is verified, the WIC office will provide you with instructions on how to obtain a new card. In most cases, you will need to visit the WIC office in person to pick up your new card. You may need to bring identification and proof of eligibility with you. After you receive your new card, make sure to review the information on it to ensure it is accurate. If you notice any errors, contact the WIC office immediately to have them corrected. It is also important to note that you should report any changes to your household size, income, or address to the WIC office, as this may affect your eligibility for the program. By following these steps, you can easily get a new WIC card and continue to receive the benefits you need. Remember to always keep your card safe and secure to avoid the need for a replacement in the future.